Wiper replacement on a 2018 Audi S5. The same process is for the passenger side as it is for the driver's side. We're doing the passenger side now. You want to lift up the arm, press down on this little button, and then slide out the blade. There we go. And you gently pull down, push or hold this arm down so you don't smash the windshield by letting it go because it is spring-loaded. You get the brand new wiper. Ensure that it is exact same clip design as the original one. If it is, all you have to do is slide it in between the arm here. And you push back. And that's how you remove and replace your front windshield wipers on a 2018 Audi S5.